Sadly, Ipsy is becoming very lazy. The eye holes were in a good place and big enough to not get product in my eye, and it's half the size of a regular sample. Hello beautiful angels, today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty. So this is Ipsy Glam bag for the month of October 2020, and we're going to go over the products and swatches and all of that good stuff. And if you're stopping by for the first time, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're a returning subscriber, I'm so happy that you're here. Welcome back, and without further ado, let's get to today's video. So here is the bag, and here it says your magic. Wow, it's good to hear when if someone says like your magic. It feels so good. Anyhow, so it's black even inside, and the hardware is gold, and it has got the moon and star, and it's your magic. I really like it, and it's like the eye kind of design, and with all of this makeup stuff in here. Let's see the first beauty. So we have a couple of products in the bag, and the remaining came in this bag. The first beauty is a teeny tiny size of this one, and this is the Tart Tinted Hydrator, and this is the in the shade 42S Tan Sand. Yeah, this is like my shade, but look at this size, you guys. It's like size of my pinky. All right, let's see about this one. And this one is a deluxe sample. Really, this size is a deluxe sample? Okay. And the full size retails for $29. That's cool. And I want to know like what's like the reviews on this one. I mean the juicy reviews, what others think about this stuff. Okay, the first one. Sadly, Ipsy is becoming very lazy in the personalization. I came back because I like the bag, and I get this that it's not even my color, and it's half the size of a regular sample. That's a good one. Okay, about this beauty, get 12 hours of dewy, glowing skin thanks to hydrating hyaluronic acid. Let's see about the next product that we got. This is Willpower Blush, and this is in the shade Stamina, and this is from The Balm Cosmetics. So this is the size that we got, and this is kind of like really light kind of shade, which might or might not show up on my face. So I want to see if it actually shows up. It do, so that's a cool one. Okay, yeah, it kind of shows up on my face, so I'm not mad at them. Usually, like I get really nice blush from the Ipsy. I'm not sure like what color is preference I gave on my like Ipsy profile, but they usually send which actually works for me, because usually the other cosmetics or the other subscription boxes, they send very light color or something like that that doesn't even show up. All right, okay, let's see about the review. This blush was such a beautiful rich color. It lasted all day. I'm very pleased. Yeah, looks like it do last, and the color itself is good, so which is good. All right, now let's see what we have next. Okay, the blush, the full size retails for $25, and we got the deluxe sample. And the next one is this one, and I was really excited about this one, and this is the one that I actually chose. And this is the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter, and this is in the shade Blissful. This is a really nice one. I'm going to swatch it in here. So this is how it looks, and this is a really good one, and I think this is full size, and this one retails for $35, which is good. And let's see about this beauty. The unique powder formula uses a liquid to bake technology to ensure maximum color payoff and serious sparkle every time you swipe it on. One more review. Love the shade with my darker connection. It really makes me glow. Also love the size of these products. They'll last you forever. Yeah, that's a really big size and it's going to last forever. All right. The next beauty that I have is this one. This is the Puriface dermal purifying sheet mask, and I think I have two of them in here. Moisturizer and brighten your skin for a even complexion, and it has the botanical ingredients like the noni fruit extract helps improve elasticity. Now the juicy review left my skin feeling really fresh and don't smell bad at all, but they are too wet. All right, now the next review. The sheet fit my face well. The eye holes were in a good place and big enough to not get product in my eye. The feeling of it was comfortable and my skin felt softer after. That's an amazing review. Yeah, usually, like most of the mask, when I try to put it on, it's the holes are not in the right place. At least for some of them, which sucks. All right, so the next product that we have is this one. So this is the brush. It doesn't feel like very good quality brush because this one's like this, it's already falling apart kind of. Okay, all right, let's see about this beauty. So this one, okay, retails for 18.50. Wow. Okay, but at least like we got really good products this month. Like the highlighter was like we got full size of $35 and the brush of 18.50, and also the sheet mask we got like 5 count is full size, but we got 2 of them, so which is also a decent size. Okay, about this brush, the synthetic bristles are super soft to touch and blend cream powder, wet or dry pigments with ease. Okay, let's see about the juicy reviews. I have enough brushes and it's pretty, but it seemed kind of like a cheaper brush to me. Yeah, that's true. I felt the same. It felt like kind of cheap kind of brush. The next one, interesting size for a blush brush, came in a little bent because of how it was positioned in the bag. Okay. The next one says sufficient brush, not very correct one for blush. That's true. Anyhow, so that's all the reviews, you guys. So I really like this one, and the blush, yeah, I think I really like that one too. Other than that, the remaining products are like okay kind of thing, and even the sheet mask is okay too. So that's pretty much it, guys, and hopefully you like today's video, and if you do, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and it's free. Thank you so much, and love you guys so much. Be good to each other, stay safe, bye.